everyone, I'm Robelinda and today I'll be sharing how I handle stress, the techniques I use to manage it, and how I recognize when stress becomes a problem. I hope my answers can help and inspire others who might also be going through stressful times. First question: how do you handle stress? When I feel stressed, I usually experience headaches, and sometimes I get so tired that I feel like I'm getting sick. But I've learned to handle it by reminding myself that I'm not alone because God is always with me. Whenever I start to feel overwhelmed, I pause and pray, asking Him to give me peace of mind and strength to keep going. I also remind myself that my body and mind need rest too. It's not a sign of weakness to take a break, it's a way of respecting myself and trusting that God wants me to take care of the body He gave me. I rest, breathe, and think about how blessed I am despite the stress. And when I finally feel better, I always thank God for helping me overcome it. Second question: what are some effective stress management techniques you do? Some of the ways I manage stress are by listening to music, worship songs, praying, and spending quiet time with God. I also try to organize my tasks so I won't feel too overwhelmed. Resting and having time for self care really helps me feel better. Last question: what are some signs that stress is becoming a problem, and what can I do about it? Stress becomes a problem when you can no longer control your body. Like when you start feeling too weak, anxious, or unmotivated. It's also a problem when, instead of relying on God, you begin to forget Him, and negative thoughts start to fill your mind. When that happens, I remind myself to pray, take a deep breath, and surrender everything to God. When I feel better, I always thank Him because I know He's the one who gives me peace and strength. In life, stress is something we all experience, but we should never forget that God is always with us. Even in our weakest moments, whenever I feel burdened, I hold on to this verse. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Matthew chapter 11, verse 28. Kana